Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I'm here for another unboxing video. Today this is a special thing because this comes from Portugal. It's not about fountain pens and it is a Portuguese brand, so I think it's fun. Today I brought here my Victorinox from 2018 and let's see what we have inside the package. I know which kind of product it is, not pens, but I'm not completely sure what they sent me exactly, so it will be fun. So, first, I need to take out this padded envelope. There is kind of a letter here. I need to take a look at it. Okay, it has address and so on, so I will leave it aside. And let's check inside. So, first, I got notebooks, and sometimes notebooks are a fun stuff to have. Okay, that big package goes away, and what I have here is products from a brand called Infinitebook. And Infinitebook is a Portuguese brand, which is kind of fun because you don't see Portuguese stuff easily everywhere, and that's kind of interesting. So they have this kind of product which is very interesting. As you can see, it's your never-ending notebook and the whiteboard experience you can take everywhere. Maybe there are other brands around with this kind of product, I'm not sure. This was the first I saw and I'm really interested about it. I talked to them, sent them an email about these products. I said it would be very fun to look at, and they told me they could send me sample for review. So this is just the unboxing, but I will make a proper review about it because it's really interesting to me. So let me open this. You have a pen, which is kind of a white marker pen that is marked Infinite Notebook, but it is from Staedtler and interesting. So I'm really interested in this. So we have, take this out, okay. We have this notebook which is A4 size, and you have blank plain pages with just the Infinite logo on the right down corner. Let me just maybe increase the exposure just a little bit. Okay. And so this is very nice. It has lots of pages. I'm not sure how many. 20 sheets of paper. So it is plain paper. Let me close this. And what you have here is then it comes with a marker, and let's imagine for your organization in work, it could be fun that you can write your plans and organize them, or maybe that you organize your pen reviews and videos and then use this to be able to plan and edit and think on paper about what you're working on. And they also sent me this other box, which, okay, it's this one. This is fun. Let me just check the name. This is called, because I have here that paper they sent me, this is called Kit Infinite Notebook A4 Black Plain with a marker that comes included with it, this marker. And then this is the Starter Kit Infinite Notebook A5 Fill. So the starter kit kit is kind of a kit with everything that you may need. So it comes with an Infinitebook size A5. It has stickers, so you can put some instructions or something that you want, some labeling. Then you will have also this nice box. Comes with a marker, of course, because this is a kit, so when you buy it you'll get the marker. You get this thing, which is an adhesive thing that you can open it, you can glue it maybe in the last page like that, and then you can put the marker around this pen loop so you don't lose it. And it is quite useful, I should say, because this is kind of a special book. This is not real paper, it's this material that looks like almost a plastic, like a whiteboard, so you need to have specific pen to use on it, so it makes sense to have a pen loop so you can carry the specific pen that you need for the specific notebook. And so they sent me also this one. This is very nice because this one, it talks about how to use it, and it also says here you are helping to save water, trees and paper. So this one is a dotted pad and it is off-white. It's not completely white, it has a project, a date, and it is very, very nice. I'm not sure how many pages this one has. 15 dotted pages. It looks much more because they are thick pages. So, and it is A5 size. And it is very nice to look at it and see that both this Infinite and Designer were made in Portugal with love. So, interesting. Now, we have the pen here. The pen, by the way, I'll make a review of it because I think it's really interesting. You have this kind of felt thing that will allow you to get here and erase what you wrote. So it's kind of nice, and it's nice because it's a small surface, so it will allow to go very detailed. But then this kit, besides another pen, it comes with this cleaning kit. And the cleaning kit, then I will tell you the prices and so on when I'll make the review of each item. I don't really know now, I'm just showing what I got. So what you get here is a little cloth, so you can clean what you wrote, like that. And it may be easier, imagine that you need to erase an entire page, so it will be easier to do with a bigger cloth than with this little eraser part. And they also send us like a sponge that I think it is for, I need to read it better, but then I'll try. Yes, when it is more than a week dry ink, we should use this bottle. It's like a spray bottle that they say fill it with water, so you spray this page and then you just go with the sponge and erase it. So I think this is, it's there, you have here the instructions. They also say to erase the wet ink or the fresh ink. They say to spray the page with water, but I guess we can do it like this. Maybe it is easier with water, but then if it is older than a week, you will write, you'll spray it with water, then you'll go with the sponge and then clean it with the cloth just to leave it clean, dry and perfect for the next writing. So, what can I say? Thank you so much to Infinitebook, Portuguese brand. Check their website. I will leave the links below for these products. I hope you enjoy it. Maybe some of you go there. I know this channel is mostly a pen channel. I have to say that most of my writing is done with fountain pens on paper. But at work, I usually use those leftover copies that no one picked up at the copy machine to write on the other side of the page to have my organization and my plans. But I have to say that now we have this mixed way of working with remote working and being there also. So there are much less prints, much less copies, and there is less paper left. So I think this will be a great organizing tool because I really need to write a lot. And I think that I may have one of these to go to work where I can write down my ideas and things for work, and to keep the other one here at home for my videos. And I can make the topics for each video or each review here on these, and just not spend paper that will eventually go to the recycle bin. That's what happens. Sometimes I make some ideas on paper when I'm thinking in work, but then I go into the computer and I just throw them into the recycle bin after they are into the computer. Same thing with the videos. I have one large A5 sheet of paper that I put here in front of me. I write things down, I record the video, and then I throw it on the recycle bin. So I think this will be a good way to save paper and save money also, because I'll be using this for stuff that is not going to be kept, and I will save and I will use the good paper to write with fountain pens for the stuff that needs to be permanent forever. So it's my personal writing that I want to keep for myself. This will be just for organization, and I think it will really save me lots of time, organization, space, paper and stuff. So again, thank you so much to Infinitebook for sending me this A4 notebook, and this also very beautiful kind of a composition notebook with this blue color with off-white pages. I think it will be really a nice experience. So I will use it for some time, and then I'll come back to you to make a full review and to tell you how I am using these products, because maybe this can be useful for you too. So I will leave you the links below. Check them, maybe you're interested, and we'll meet again here on the channel soon. Bye.